friends, welcome back to another video. This video is very special, and why is that? Because why we have to have crisps when we can have this? Well, you might ask, what the hell is this? This is something that you can replace your crisps healthy without being worried of unhealthy damages that a crisp can have on a long period of time on your health, or without the guilt of being fat. If you love to have crisps and you want to have a healthy option, this one is the best. Most of you might not be even aware of such thing exists. That's why I want to introduce this in this video to you. This is exactly like crisps. It has the same texture, the same taste, and it's so healthy. You can have it with different kinds of dips and appetizers, and it's so easy to prepare. So come and I tell you what this is. So basically this is called papadum, or also papad. It's an Indian snack made with different kinds of grains. What they do basically, they turn the grains into the flour and then they create these dry sheets. I'm going to just show one sheet to you. As you can see, this is completely dry. This is completely dry and it's raw. So we need to prepare this one at home, and it turns out to be completely just like crisp. So basically you can find these ones online or in Asian shops, and it comes with different kinds of spices, different kinds of grains, so you can choose. And today I have this one, which is basically coming with a mixture of different kinds of spices like black pepper. So it's just giving that additional taste of black pepper to my crisps. You can even have the plain one and enjoy it. And I'm going to show you how to easily prepare this one under 1 minute. Okay guys, the easiest and fastest and most healthiest way to prepare these sheets are that you need to just wet them and then put it for 1 minute in the microwave. So come and show you how to wet them. You just open the water a little bit and then quickly take the sheet under the water, wet it all over, and then put it in a plate and then pop it into microwave for 1 minute, and there you go, you have it. 1 minute. Now you can see our sheet is completely cooked and so crispy. Just let it to cool down before breaking it and consuming it. It's just ready to be consumed. You need to just leave it for just 1 or 2 minutes to cool down, and then I'll show you how to do it. Guys, there is a second method to prepare these sheets, which is not my favorite method because it's not really healthy, but in parties and occasions, if you want to, you know, make it a little bit more special, you can use the second method to prepare these ones and you can just enjoy it. So I'm going to show you the second method now. So the second method is that you just immerse these sheets into the hot oil, and I'm going to show you now how to do it because my pot is small, so I'm going to just break them so you'll see what happens. And this is a fast process, so you need to be prepared to just take it out in seconds. So when you just put it right in there, as you see, it's just cooks so fast, and you need to just take it out as it is and place it into somewhere to just take off all the oil. And then you just go and do it the same thing. They just become double in size when you do them in the oil, and they look very soft after you take them out of the oil, but they will eventually turn to a crisp, so you need to let them to cool down. So this is the second way of doing them. and after they cool down, I'm gonna show you how they look like. Okay guys, now I want to show you all the second methods are now sheets ready. I want to show you how crispy they are, and you can just use them exactly like a crisp, even better. Can you hear the snap? Just like crisp. And you can use this one with any dip like hummus, any sauce or anything that you want. And this is the healthiest version, which is even faster, and you don't need to use oil at all, and you just listen to the snap. Wow, you see how crispy they are, and they are just amazing. They really taste amazing, even better than the crisp. So I have left a link to order these sheets online. If you like, you can just go and order them and enjoy them at home. I hope you like this video, and please share the video, and until the next videos, take care.